my name is Graham. Today we're going to be making a banana chia oatmeal bake. So you're going to need 1 banana. It is a good source of potassium. Dried blueberries, shredded coconut, some chia seeds, rolled oats, coconut milk, and oil to grease your pan. So first, you're gonna wanna grease your pan. And then you're gonna wanna take your banana, peel it, make sure not to have any of your peels in there, and then mash. And then you're gonna add coconut milk. And now you're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm gonna put this into the oven for 20 minutes. So now that the banana chia oatmeal bake is done, we're gonna try it out. Honey is really good with it. It's really good. You should try making this at home. It's very good.